Hey, how's it going? My name is Mikey and I'm an encryption architect here at Evervault, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a relay via the Evervault dashboard. So what we have here is a really basic Next.js app that's built in Replit that'll give me a small area to write my code, a small area of web view, and then also a console that will display what's being sent to the server. So I'm going to send in my details here and submit these. As we can see, they're going to come through in an unencrypted format. These are also being written to a MongoDB, so that whenever we go over here, we can see that it's in unencrypted plaintext format. We're now going to take the domain that's provided to me by Replit, go over to the Evervault application, and in this app, I now have the option to create an inbound relay, where I'm going to put in the domain. This is now going to forward all requests to this host, but it'll also provide me with the domain name that I can now use to route my request through. So I'm going to go over to this site now. As you can see, it's another view of the web app. I'm going to send through the same data. And as we can see, it's coming through again, but still in an unencrypted format. All we have to do here is go over to our relay page, go to the encrypted fields portion, and add the fields that we'd like to encrypt. For this, I'm going to encrypt name and email, and then add the fields to encrypt. So now, whenever we send this request and submit it, we'll see that it's coming through in an unencrypted format, and the fields that I've chosen to not encrypt have remained in plain text. Whenever we go over to the MongoDB and refresh it, we'll also see that the details are in an encrypted format once they are being routed through relay and encryption has been turned on for those fields. This means that at no stage will the sensitive fields like name and email in this case be on your server or in any server in an unencrypted format, because they haven't existed within memory. If you have any questions, please make sure to reach out to us over at Evervault, or if you'd like to sign up for a free account, please do and reach out to us with any questions that you have. Thanks.